Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use video overviews in NotebookLM. So in your notebook, whatever you want to create the video overview about, make sure you select the relevant sources. It could be all of them. It doesn't need to be all of them. And then go over to the Studio panel, click on the little pencil to edit how you want your video overview to come out. Couple of different formats you can choose. Explainer is going to get a bit more in depth and really hit those core concepts. Brief is just going to be like a summary. And then you can choose the style, you can choose the language, many languages you can choose from. And then let's say I want, let's see, what's a good one? Yeah, let's do that. So the paper craft style, and then I can just tell it to do whatever I need to do. Focus on the main points and use illustrative examples when needed. And let's see what happens. So once I want it to get started, I'm just going to hit generate, and you'll notice it takes a little space over here generating video. This can take a while, so what I'm probably going to do is stop recording now, and then once it's done, there'll be another scene with the finished product in it. So now that the video overview is done, it shows up in my studio. Notice the little play button here. That indicates that it's either an audio or a video file. I'm going to click on the play button. Here's my video, and I'm just going to hit play.
Welcome to the Explainer. Have you ever wondered why school feels the way it does? Today, we're digging into the surprising origins of our modern education system. And, spoiler alert, the story starts not in a library, but on a factory floor. So let's just dive right in with the big question.
All right, so a couple of things to notice here. It does tell you where you are in the video time-wise, how long the video is. You can adjust the playback speed, go back 10 seconds, go forward 10 seconds, and even adjust it so that it's full screen. You can download the video and you can share it. So a number of different options here. It did take a while for this video to generate. It is 5.5 minutes of AI generated video, which is supposed to be specific to these sources. So that is going to take some time to do. This isn't exactly the type of thing where before class, you're going to be like, oh, I need something quick. Let me go into NotebookLM and make a video. That is not going to happen. This is something you're going to want to do well in advance just to make sure it's done. But if you know you're going to use it and need it, what a great tool to have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.